There was a day I posted. I said I order IC and it arrived. A lot of people complain in the comment section saying, Father Joe, it is fake. My dear technician, you're welcome to my new video. My name is Father Joe. I'm the CEO of Father Joe Phone Repairs. I'm here today to answer a lot of questions a lot of people ask me in the comment section. So I posted it and some people say it is fake, it is this, it is that. This is not how IC is packaged. So a lot of people start complaining, and today I'm here to clear the air to tell you the methods I normally use to get IC. So without time wasted, let me start the video. My dear technician, a lot of people think all of my IC is from online. Today I'm going to share with you all the methods I normally use to get IC. Okay, the first method I normally use to get IC is through Aboki people. Let me explain how this works. If you're in Nigeria, you will know Aboki people. Most of these Aboki people, they buy scrap panels. So I'll have a contact with them, like I'll have a relationship with them. There's one guy that I have a relationship with. So I used to call the guy, do you have so panel? Do you have so panel? I just need the IC. So he's going to bring the panel to me. Then I'll remove the IC, right? So that is the number one method I normally use to get IC. And the IC you get from all panels, they normally work perfectly. I'm telling you the truth, they normally work perfectly because it is direct from CARICOM. I don't know if you understand. If you don't understand, you can let me know in the comment section so that I will help you expatiate more better. Okay, the number two method is getting from a friend. There's a friend I have, is living far away from my location. So the guy is into phones, scrap panels. The guy is into scrap panels, all these scrap panels. He used to buy scrap panels from people. And I'm not talking about a low quantity. I'm talking about a large quantity, right? I'm talking about a large quantity. So someone linked me up to that person. So whenever I need IC, I used to call the guy, please, I need Sozo IC, I need ITEL 2160 IC, I need ITEL ADs, I need Techno this, I need iPhone this IC. The guy will now send the panel or the IC itself to me. So when the thing gets to me, I will now remove the IC, then give the person the panel, or if the guy is able to remove the IC, he's going to remove it, then send only the IC to me. So when the IC gets to me, that is when I will make payment. I only make payment when I receive what I want. So that is the number two methods I normally use. The number three method will shock you. My dear technician, the number three methods I normally use to get IC is from online. I know that is exactly what you wanted to hear. Okay, I get it from online. Yes. Before I make payment or before I start the process of getting IC online, first of all, let me talk about trusted brands, but they are not really, I don't know, I don't want to spoil people market here, right? Okay, the first brand I normally use to get IC is AliExpress, right? I like getting most of my IC from AliExpress. But the only thing that is sometimes discouraging me is the time I will get the IC. Okay, take for example, I order the IC today. Before the IC reach my location here in Akwa Ibom State, it's going to take 4 weeks. It's going to take what? 4 weeks. Sometimes even 5 or 6 weeks. So it's going to delay before it reach my location. For those of you who are in Lagos, it may take a little bit shorter. Take for example, since you're in Lagos, if you order from Ali, maybe it will take 3 weeks or 2 weeks, you'll get it. For me, I am in Akwa Ibom, so before the thing leave AliExpress office to where am I, is going to take longer. So that is one of the things that sometimes discourage me from getting IC from online. Let me just say online. Okay, the next thing is trustworthy, right? Trustworthy. That one, I don't want to say that one because if I say it, it will be like I want to spoil something. I don't want to spoil something, right? So you can go ahead and order what you want to order, right? So I get most of my IC from online. My dear technician, so the next brand I usually get my IC from is called Jumia. Yes, most of my IC, I normally get it from Jumia. The first brand is AliExpress. The second one is Jumia. For Jumia, it's still also taking longer. My dear technician, there was a day I ordered something from Jumia. It took 5 weeks. It took 5 weeks before the thing was delivered to me here in Akwa Ibom State. My dear technician, so those are the two brands I normally get IC for replacement. In terms of trustworthy, I don't want to say anything about trustworthy here, but they are good. They are good. So most of the IC, I get it from them and I change it for my customer. If you want to order IC from them, I recommend that you should tell your customer to wait until the thing arrive. You can give your customer 2 months. Yes, you can give your customer 2 months. Just extra time is good. Just give your customer 2 months at once so that when you order, if the thing arrive in 4 weeks or 5 or 6 weeks, you still have some times for you to be able to fix the phone. Then you can call your customer after when you're done to come and pick it, and that's the best way. So if you have questions, you can drop them in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you all.